Okay, guys, so we're live. Hello, everyone, and welcome to a new webinar provided by Centurion Invest. This is your host, Ramy Kamar, and we will be talking about the markets. We will be talking about Centurion Invest and how you can make money and how can you invest in different products and different assets. So let's start first with our website. So this is our website, centurioninvest.com. I will now log in order to see what we have inside. So this is my email. Guys, 1 second, we were fixing something. Okay, guys, so sorry for this technical issue. We will now continue. So this is basically our website. I have signed in, and this is the account overview. You can see all the coins that you have. So USDT, you can also see your fiat, so the US dollar, the euro. You can see everything right here, and especially you can see how much CIX coins you have. So basically, CIX coins is our native token for the company, for the platform, for everything. So it's expected to 3x and 5x in the next couple of years. So it's a very good project. I advise you to take a look and be in contact with our sales team in order to have your hands on it. So we also have the Nicoin, which is also a very good project, which is backed by nickel basically. It's a very cool project. It's also expected to do 2x to 3x in the next year or so. So this is basically the account overview. Let's talk about the CI card where you can buy basically everything related to crypto using fiat, and you can also then buy products and services using crypto when you deposit into this card. Now let's look, for example, at the gift cards. So the gift cards here mainly we can buy everything you might think of. So for example, the Amazon gift card, BN gift card, Apple Pay, Jawakir, PS, the PS Store, PlayStation, Nintendo, whatever you might think of. So this is basically it. And of course, we have many other products that you can take a look at. We have also the investment plans where you can earn up to 50% on your investments. So take a look, and if you have any questions, just hit the chat button right here, and you can directly talk with our live sales team and our customer support team. So that's it in terms of the websites. Let's now do a quick analysis. So I will keep the chart as is and see what we did yesterday. So basically, I will look at the 1 hour chart right here. Yesterday, we were at this level right here around 2800 level, 2820 level. We sent a long signal right here at the 2840 to 830 level around here. So our first take profit was around 2920, which was fully achieved. During this time, we sent another signal that if we look at the 15-minute chart, it would be more visible. So we sent a signal which was it was right here. I sent that if it breaks to 880, we take a long. This scenario was drawn right here, and then if we broke the 2920, we target the 2980. So this was the scenario basically, and it was fully achieved. Now, what do we expect from Ethereum? So for Ethereum, we have now a ranging motion or ranging behavior after this um, $200 or $100 $180 bull run. By bull run, of course, I mean the just the leg up. So it's not a bull market. So we have this range right here that we are talking about, which is around $40 range. That basically we cannot trade it now. We need to have a a break of the ranging motion or the range in order to get some trades. So personally, I would prefer the buys above the 3050 level, which was proven before to be a major resistance level, or sells below the 2980 level, which was previously the support level. So yes, basically Ethereum is ranging. Now let's look at Bitcoin. I do expect also Bitcoin to be ranging like this at a key resistance area. And yes, as I said, so basically Bitcoin is also ranging at this area right here, which is around the 4500 level, which I previously mentioned that it is a huge resistance level. So now also what we need to look at is a break of either of this ranging motion. So let's put it as a triangle, which can be seen better. So I would say something like this. So a break above the 4700 level will give us a push up. So we can first target the 41k level around here, 41, 100, and then target the 41,800 level. And for another trade, also if we break, we can see something like this. As a first target, we have the 39,800 level, and then we can target the 39,500 level. So that's it basically for Ethereum and Bitcoin. Let's look also at one more cryptocurrency. So let's say Solana. Also pretty bad ranging motion for Solana. Let's remove all the drawings. So let's look at the 4 hours chart. We can see that Solana is in a short-term downtrend right here. The channel about right here. We have a resistance level at 103. So yes, that's basically it for Solana. What I'm looking at is a break above this level about the 103 level, it will range a bit around 104, 105, and then we can target the 110, 109, 110 level right here. So that's basically it also for Solana. Let me see if anyone has a question. So Mark has a question. Hello Ramy, will you do sand? Of course. Okay, so we can see sand from the last time did not give us the trade, did not even give us the first trade. So for those who entered a buy signal from any other group, it would be in a loss. So it's a good thing that we did not enter any trade because, as you can see, from April 13, it was 2.8, around 2.8. It's still at 2.7, 2.69, 2 point something, near 2.8. So it did not actually give us any trade. Uh, Mark, as you can see that I still didn't move anything from the chart, and the range is still there. So uh, the channel, if you can remember that we drew this trend line right here, it was respected again here, which is 6 days ago. So this trend line that I drew, in addition to the resistance level at 3.0 that I also drew, it rejected perfectly, as you can see. So it rejected perfectly right here and came back again. So I still don't see any trade on sand right now until so basically it's related to Bitcoin or to the whole cryptocurrency market. So if Bitcoin managed to go above 4500, we can see something like this on sand. So first target is 3.0, which is around 11% from here. So it is a good trade, but you must wait Bitcoin to break above the 4500. So moving back to Bitcoin, I want to see something like this in order to take sand. So something like this on Bitcoin will give us the same trade on sand. So it will give us this trade on sand. One more thing to mention is that I mentioned it last time, so 2 weeks ago in the webinar, I mentioned that basically sand and mana and everything related to the metaverse has very low volume recently because there is no more hype about the metaverse. So when the metaverse hype is back, we may see something good on these coins, but for now I just prefer not to trade them, maybe like buy them at spot. But what I really would like to focus on for now is Ethereum, Solana, and Bitcoin. So these are the coins that have the most volatility. You can also look at AVAX and Luna. So one of the best coins that I usually like is Luna. So I don't usually trade it, but it's very very cool. It has some also. Here is a trade that we took. It's still there, so break above the 100, retest, enter. We got like $20 per one Luna. That was also the beginning of the month. So let's remove the drawings. So basically, Luna has a good volatility. You can see that it's facing now resistance at the 98 level. So at this level right here. Also, if and only if Bitcoin breaks the 4500, we can see another trade right here where we can get a minimum of $6 on Luna. Minimum of $8 on Luna. So from 96 to 104 minimum. and then we can continue to 108. So it's like $10 to $12 an extra. So yeah, basically that's it for everything related to the analysis. We analyzed 5 to 6 coins. Let me know if you have any questions. Mark, do you have any more questions? Anyone? Okay, so I guess no one has any questions. We will stop the live. Thank you all for joining, and I wish you the happy trading and the best of luck in trading. So that's it, guys. Thank you for joining, and goodbye.